Hi everybody, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if OTG is not working in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you're facing OTG connection problem in your device, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn what you can do if OTG is not working in your device.